and welcome to Master Essential Oils DIY. And today we are going to make a bye-bye bug spray.
No, it's go away bug!
Go away bug spray. All right, so you can find all the information of what you need to make this spray on masteressentialoils.com/DIY1. So if you will, pause this and go gather all of your supplies and you can make it along with us. Now, I am Dana Mitchell with Master Essential Oils, and this is my daughter, Madeline. So as you can see, essential oils is a great way that you can spend time with your children making things that you can use around your house.
Sure!
So today we are going to create a bug repellent spray, and we're going to use a 4-ounce glass bottle. And you always want to use either glass or stainless steel. And there's other sizes of bottles that I'll link
this
to.
One.
Yep,
But
that.
we have labels.
That's right.
So
we have a room
this
spray in
one.
that. That's right, a nice room spray.
Not making that. Then this one is wood and lead. And
so,
this one's an 8.
Yes, I think so too. So I'll put a link in the notes, in the show notes,
This is what.
so that you can find all the different types of supplies that you need to make your sprays. So we are doing a spray that is to help.
It's called Go Away Bug!
There we go. I keep forgetting the name. You can call it whatever you would like. So what this is going to be.
Kill the bugs.
Well, some bugs are good that we don't want to get rid of. These are just bugs that are coming in
Or
the
like kill
house
spiders.
that we don't want. Spiders, ants, some aphids possibly, roaches.
What are aphids?
Aphids are just different types of bugs. A lot of times they're on plants.
Comment down below. What are aphids?
So what we're going to use is peppermint essential oil, and our brand is doTERRA that we love. And then what are you?
Wild orange.
Wild orange.
Which is the best?
So we're going to use drops from both of these.
Okay,
bottles.
we're talking to you.
Okay, so let's get started. Basically what you need is a glass bottle in a spray.
4 ounce.
And then some water. We're using just tap water. And peppermint essential oils. And wild orange essential oils.
Can't see that. It's made out of cinnamon.
Now that you've gathered your supplies, we are going to make our spray. And to start off with, go ahead and put your label on, because if your bottle gets wet, then your label won't stick. And I'll put
The edges will come off.
It will. And we want to make sure we know what is in the bottle. And I'll put a link in the show notes of other type of labels. Like these are chalk labels. You can also use cap labels. So to get started, we are going to use 10 drops of essential oil. And Maddie, if you'll go ahead and we're using 2 different ones in this mix. 8 peppermint and 2 wild orange. So as you can see, Maddie's just tilting the bottle and dropping them right in instead of shaking, because you'll get more drops than you actually want. And with essential oils, a little bit goes a long way. There we go. All right, and so then she's going to add water, and it's just regular old tap water, into the bottle. And once she puts all that in there together, she's going to put the lid on and shake it. And so you can use this around your windows and your doorways. And just as you go around and spray, make sure you shake it so that you can keep the mixture, mix the oil in the water. Great, good work there. Now, essential oils are a wonderful way that you can use natural products around your house, and especially for pest control. So you want to show them how it works? And spray it in. And it smells really good too. So you're going to love the way it smells, which it freshens the air along with providing a barrier for pests. So thank you for joining us, and to check out this information of what you need to create the spray, go to masteressentialoils.com/DIY1, and then check back with us, and we'll have some other videos of other things that you can do working with essential oils. Thank you.
And remember, you can call your oil that you just made anything you want.
That's right. You can call your spray anything you want. Thank you for helping me.
So, bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, bugs.